Here we have a brand new Bailey's Autograph motorhome. It's based on a Peugeot Boxer, and obviously they don't have a great deal of security, even though it is brand new. So what we've done, we fitted a Autowatch 695, which is a category 2-1 Thatch-improved alarm system. What that is, that's for any intrusion into the vehicle would actually trigger the alarm system off. So if there's anybody there just trying to see if they could nick something in there, obviously it gives you that alert. If I show you the interior sensor, that triggers the alarm system off as soon as I put my hand in there. So any movement inside will trigger the system off. Now, I've got the remote here. If I lock it and lock it again, that arms the alarm system but knocks out the interior sensor. Now, they call that pet mode, and the good thing about that is the fact that you could then arm the system and then move around inside and you won't trigger the system off at all. But if anyone tries to open the doors, it will actually trigger the alarm system off. So if anyone's got a skeleton key, which unfortunately there are quite a few of those around, and that's how they're getting in without actually causing any damage, as soon as I open the door, it will trigger the alarm system off. So for anyone's safety when they're sleeping inside, it's a really nice feature. So if I now put my hand in there, as you can see, it won't trigger the alarm system off. And if I move the camera around, now if I use the key to actually unlock the door, so just mimicking as if I'm intruding. And as you can see, the alarm goes off. Also includes the sensors on the garage doors, and they're also protected, so if they get popped open while you're inside there asleep, it'll trigger the alarm system off. So hopefully that'll wake you up and alert you. We also fitted a category 2 immobiliser as well, just a standard touch key immobiliser, but to Thatcham approval, and that will combat OBD theft and key theft. So if anyone stole the keys, they're not going to be able to start it without the actual tag, or if they're plugged into the OBD port, they're not going to be able to steal that way as well. And additional to that, we've also installed a Scorpion S5 Thatch-improved tracking system as well. So you have to carry a ADR tag every time you drive the vehicle. If you don't, you'll alert the monitoring company if it's been stolen. And with that, you have access via an app to actually see where the vehicle is at all times as well. So it is completely fully protected. What I'm going to show you, what we've done is additional to that is obviously fitted a sensor on the habitation door, and that's a wireless sensor. So it's armed at the moment. So if I just use the key manually to unlock it, so straight away that triggers. So you do have full protection there. Right, I'm going to go and have a look. And you can see the sensors on there. It's quite a discreet little sensor. So we could offer various different security packages depending on what you require and what your requirements are. And but for this particular one, this is what we've done. We've gone for 3 separate individual products, and it just gives you the all-round security because of it. So that is on the Bailey's Autograph motorhome.